Hello, welcome to my channel and to this video. Today we are going to be taking a look at one of these pump sprayers that we just took out of the box brand new and mixing it with some concentrate. If you've got grass to kill or weeds to kill, it is my opinion that this approach, the concentrate plus a pump sprayer, is a little bit better long-term option as opposed to going to the store and just buying a bottle of Roundup. The spigots break, they clog, and if you buy a high-quality pump like this, pump sprayer like this, it definitely holds up longer and I think is more affordable since you're buying the concentrate. And so that's the concept here. Let's review this real quick and put it together. You can see we just put the tube down into the hole into the clear white bin and then secure it with this little feature here, this little twisting lock. Now this one has a built-in pressure releaser, which we'll take a look at later after we actually boot this thing up and use it. But you can see down here we've got the tube kind of going to the bottom of, so when we put liquid in there. Now this thing I will mention has a lock, so that's a nice feature. So if you don't want to continuously press down on the handle in order to spray, you can put this little lock on and it just keeps it depressed for you, saving some wear and tear on your hands, right? And the end of the wand itself kind of rotates like this, so you can adjust if you want it to stream or spray. So we'll go ahead and pour in some concentrate. Now whatever concentrate you're using, you'll want to read the instructions on the back of the manual. And I'll put links down below in the description for everything that you see in this video, as always, if you're interested in checking that out. And you fill it up with water and then tighten up the large handle like that. And then from there you can go ahead and pump it. It's really simple, really easy to do. And you should pump until you start to feel some resistance. It's going to be a lot harder to depress. And you don't need to break it, but you should definitely at that point go ahead and pull the trigger on the wand and it should start spraying out. And again, you can adjust the tip as needed. Now when you're all done, you can pull out this little pressure release valve, which is really nice. It could be quite dangerous if you just decide to twist the handle open instead. So I highly recommend that you buy one with a pressure release valve like this. And that is it. Really simple thing to use and operate, and recommend having it around the garage. Thanks so much.